It is both a privilege and honor to be invited to this important occasion. I sincerely thank the Sri Ramchandra Institute for giving me the opportunity to address you on this momentous day. A convocation is not merely a ceremony where degrees are conferred. It marks profound transition from the protected halls of academia into the demanding yet deeply meaningful world of medical practice. Today, you are not simply graduates, you are the newest custodian of this noble profession of the medicine. First and foremost, I extend my congratulations to each one of you, including the prize winners. Your journey to this day has been defined by the years of discipline, countless hours of study, sleepless nights, demanding clinical postings, and rigorous examinations. Along the way, you have witnessed illnesses, suffering, recovery, and sometimes loss. These experiences have shaped not only your knowledge and skills, but also your character and compassion. As you step forward into the profession, allow me to reflect upon three pillars that must guide every doctor's career: compassionate patient care, continuous upgradation of skills, and unwavering ethical values. What the compassionate care is all about, medicine is both a science and an art. While science equips you with the knowledge and tools, it is the compassion that enables true healing. Your patients will come to you only with the diseases, not only with the disease, but also with the fear, uncertainty, and vulnerability. A kind word, a listening ear, and a reassuring presence can often be as powerful as the most advanced therapy. Never forget that behind every case sheet is a human being with a story, a family, a hope for the recovery. Technology will continue to transform healthcare, but empathy will always remain the timeless essence of the good medical practices. The field of medicine is evolving at an unprecedented pace. What you learn today may be refined, you are replaced by the new evidences tomorrow. Advances in genomics, artificial intelligence, minimally invasive procedures, and precision medicine are continuously redefining the healthcare. Therefore, graduating today does not mark the end of your education, it marks the beginning of the lifelong learning. I just quote always that I put it in all the notes, that Sir William Osler's quote, that a student, the doctor is a student for his whole life, and the day he fails to be a student, he dies. And this is the lifelong learning concept which I feel all of you to carry with yourself. Commit yourself to continuous professional development, attend conferences, engage in clinical research, embrace innovations, and constantly refine your clinical skills. A doctor who stops learning eventually limits their ability to heal effectively. The responsibility for maintaining the professional standard rests with the State Medical Council, where you will register as a practitioner. These regulations are not mere formalities. They safeguard patients, uphold professional integrity, and ensure uniform standards of care. And India's healthcare system faces both immense challenges and extraordinary opportunities. From bridging rural healthcare gaps to address emerging diseases, from strengthening public health care systems to advancing cutting-edge research, the nation needs doctors who are not only competent but also compassionate and socially responsible. You may choose diverse paths: clinical practice, surgery, research, public health, administration, or teaching. Whatever you choose, remember that your work contributes to the health and well-being of the society, and certainly that is the welfare index of any country's progress. Many of you serve in settings where resources are limited, but the need is great. In such circumstances, your dedication, empathy, and integrity will matter far more than technology alone. Today is also a moment to acknowledge those who supported you on this journey, your teachers who guided you with the patience and wisdom, your families, your parents who stood by you with unwavering faith, and your patients who allowed you to learn from their experiences. And I also add that equally important are our stakeholders, which is your institution and your universities. Behind every graduating doctor stands a community that believed in them very strongly. Graduates, as you step out today wearing a mantle of medical professional, remember a doctor's life is defined not only by knowledge but by compassion, not only by skills but integrity, and not only by success and by services. Carry forward the values of this institution has instilled in you. Continue to learn, continue to care, and continue to uphold the honor and dignity of the medical profession. I wish each one of you a career filled with purpose, excellence, and humanity. I assure on behalf of the National Medical Commission that we are not going to be static where we are. We will be progressive. We will be addressing the burning issues of the medical fraternity, which is going to affect all of you in your future progress. And I assure you that we will be progressive, and it will definitely make a huge difference into your future aspirations. Congratulations once again. May you serve society with wisdom, compassion, and dedication. Thank you, and my best wishes to all of you.